Welcome back. So I've been asked another question on YouTube, and this one's about a personal rant at the spirit team or a spirit guide or a spirit loved one, and how do they respond? If we're angry here or we're offended here, when we transit, do we still feel the human emotions? Because the viewer doesn't believe that the moment we transit, we become love and light, unicorns and rainbows. So in this video, that's what we'll be discussing. So as always, I try to make it very, very simple in understanding, because it is very simplistic. And once we realise what's happening and the mechanics and all that kind of stuff, we kind of have a better understanding, and then we go, oh yeah, that kind of makes sense. And this question is one that I feel that does that also. When we and I am someone that has gone absolutely crazy at my spirit team, and why didn't this happen? Why didn't that happen? Why are you not trying? And all that kind of stuff. And are they offended? And do they? And how do they respond? So very. It's not going to be a long video, but very simply, the human traits are left behind. And it's like anything here on earth, maybe we hear something through the grapevine, and I am someone that has heard an awful lot through the grapevine, usually about myself, but usually when we hear a part of a story, we're like, oh my God, I can't believe they did that. I can't believe he or she would have done that, and so on and so forth. And then we may encounter that offended feeling, or that angry feeling, or simply laugh at it. But we respond immediately to the information that we have just received. Now, let's say maybe a week or two later, you bump into said person, and out of politeness, because that's what people do, they ask, they go, so what was that last week? What happened last week, or the week before? I heard this, and they go, no, that's not how it happened. This is how it unfolded. And then they give their side of the story. And then you understand, you go, oh, right, well, they didn't tell me that, and so now I understand what's going on, and so now you feel differently towards the person, because they've had their say. I've always said there's always three sides to the story: their version, my version, and the truth. And I just think that just sits so perfectly well with my spiritual philosophy. That what happens is when we transit from the physical life and into the spiritual side of life, we have the ability to have the knowledge that we are missing. So like the example, we see the other person, we get their version of events, and we start to feel differently. In spirit, it is truth essence. Everything is in love essence, truth essence. So they have the full picture. So it's not a case of the team being frustrated, or a loved one being frustrated or angry or offended at you. It's actually more of a feeling or understanding that because of the ingredients that you are presented with. Sometimes we are blinkered in the physical life because we can't see the wood for the trees, and sometimes the answer is so obvious. And the spirit world have that. They have that knowledge. They have the understanding of everything that's there. So they will offer a feeling of, yeah, I know you're angry, and I do understand because of the circumstances. And then it's almost like a feeling of but we ain't prepared to feel that. We ain't prepared to look for that, because we are so driven by our offence, or by our anger, or by our fill in the blank. And so that is how it is. You are absolutely right. It's not a case of you just go over and you become an angel immediately. Maybe that's another video. But you have to remember that the only reason they're bringing forward that they were an angry man or woman, or someone that reacted in this way or that way, and their life was like this or like that, is for evidence. It's an evidential value. So it's like saying someone that has no use of their legs, in the physical life, when they go to the spirit world, they still don't have use of those legs. They have instant use of those legs because the use of the legs was a physical problem, not a spiritual problem. And this is exactly the same with emotions and mindsets when we go over. They have to present it back to a medium for their loved one as a form of evidence. So it's not that they don't care, it's more they understand why you're angered, why you're offended, why you are fill in the blank. So the viewer asked to stay anonymous on this one. For whatever reason, I don't know. So I will keep the anonymity there, and I'm impressed that I got that word out there. So that's it. It's a very simple answer. So I'll round this one up here. So thank you for watching. Thank you for your question. Subscribe if you aren't already. Hit that notification bell for the next upcoming video, and I will see you next time.